Oh wow, that's good. Will this recipe impress even the great Gordon Ramsay? Why did the chicken cross the road? Because you didn't fucking cook it.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Nola style barbecue shrimp. Nola. Her name was Nola. She was a shellfish. First up, mise en place. Don't worry, mise en place is just a fancy French term for mise en place. Mise en place. What's a green onion's favorite genre of music? It's rapscallion. I'm going to use 3 green onions. Wolf oignon. Give it a nice chop. Oh, no wasting here. Green onions. 1 shallot. We're only going to use a shallot of shallot. Whoop, chop your shallots. You want to chop your shallots. This is shallot of fun. Garlic. I'm going to use like 4 cloves of garlic. I won't garlic you all over. Thinly slice your garlic. Boop, 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 boop. Cutting garlic is boring. Let's get crazy. Woohoo! Make sure to get fresh seafood, guys. It's very shrimportant. Shrimport. He's a bit shrimpitant at the moment. We're gonna use about a dozen jumbo shrimp here. We're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of creole seasoning. I'm also gonna use, oh, there's no more salt in here. And about a teaspoon of salt. Mix it up. Shrimp. Ooh, toast some bread. Tell me your secrets. Why don't we try focusing for once? Toast your bread. Put away your bag of eyes. We're gonna do a medium-high heat here. Do a little bit of olive oil. Put in your shrimps. We're gonna let those go for about 30 seconds. Where do shrimp go when they need to make some quick cash? The prawn shop. Now I'm gonna add in my garlic and my shallots. Give it a nice mixing. Gonna cook that down for about a minute. I'm gonna put in about 3 tablespoons of butter. Gonna do about 2 teaspoons of worcestershire sauce. This, 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna add my green onions. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna add in a bit of white wine here. Yeah, that's the sound of quality. We're gonna do about 1 ounce of white wine. 1 for you, 1 for me. That smells fantastic. We're gonna let that simmer for a little bit. Turn that heat off. Ooh, a little bit of lemon juice. Taste for seasoning. Let's plate. Beautiful. Now spoon on that beautiful sauce. Clean up that plate. Ow, that's hot. You're hot. A little bit of toast and Nola style barbecue shrimp. Let's eat. Oh wow, that's good. That's insane. Nothing is shrimp possible, guys. Oh my God. Bye, friends.